concept of a mechanics lien, and this is important to set up for the audience, the concept of a mechanics lien is that most cases, if I'm suing you for something, before there's a lien or a judgment that says you owe me money, we have to go through the whole entire process, right?
Okay.
We have to get in front of a judge or a jury, and the jury has to find that you owe me money. The mechanics lien process shortcuts that process. It basically says you've given me enough information to establish that this person probably owes you money. We're going to put a lien on their property, and then you guys can resolve whether or not they actually owe you that money. And so when you ask the question of whether or not,
Right,
that's it, it's over,
yeah.
it's not necessarily over, but what it does is it adds pressure to whoever's owning the house, because if they want to sell it or refinance it, right, the bank won't let you refinance it until the liens are paid off either. So if they want to sell it or refinance it, what they have to do is they have to deal with all the people that have a lien on the property.
So it prohibits you completely for, like, you can't make the transaction, or do you make the transaction and then the money gets pulled aside and lives somewhere until it gets resolved?
It's the second. It's
Okay.
basically that money needs to be paid out of the closing price or of the refinance, right? So if you have a simple example, if you have a $500,000 house, somebody's got a lien on it for $100,000, you sell it for $500,000, you're really only getting $400,000. That person should get their $100,000, or it gets deposited into the court.